Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we have Hen and Fiona, student of MD from Singapore. Let us know how do they feel in Nepal here in B&B Hospital in HRDC. Uh, why did you came here? Can you tell something about?
As part of our course in University of Queensland, we have to do a observership for 1 month. So, uh, our senior, he came here previously, the last year, and he told us about how he got a great exposure and a great experience, and yeah, so we decided to come here.
How did you come to know about B&B Hospital and HRDC?
For B&B Hospital, it was our senior, like we previously mentioned, and HRDC was from one of the doctors we shadowed here under Dr. Banskota's department, and yeah, so we follow her to the HRDC.
What was your experience? How long did you stay here?
We stayed here for a month, and our experience was very pleasant, I would say.
Mm.
Uh, for yeah,
So we followed both. We got the opportunity to follow both Dr. Banskota and Dr. Baidia's teams. Uh, so yeah, we were exposed to multiple departments.
yeah.
Yeah, and
The staff here were very hospitable, and they are very willing to teach, very patient with us, very willing to just impart their knowledge to us, and yeah, I would say we learned a lot.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, so we got some hands-on practical experience as well. So we got to do a bit of suturing and
We learned about like different catheters and different cannulas and different surgical techniques.
we got to scrub in.
We also scrub in
A lot.
which is very nice,
Yeah.
and like observe
Mm.
just all the different kind of surgery that we never thought we would see.
Mm.
Yeah, and I think a great part about this observership was learning how much charity work that B&B Hospital is doing. So how they manage to utilize
Like they're very resourceful, so they do a lot of charity work, but at the same time, yeah, so they have to be very careful with their resources and how they use it, and yeah, it's really very impactful
yeah
to see.
how they provide quality care despite
Like,
like doing charity work at the same time.
mm,
Yeah, it was a great
Yeah.
takeaway.
yeah.
Do you have any comment how we improved our teaching experience?
I think right now, the current teaching experience is quite it's more than adequate for us because we're currently only first year medical students of the MD program. So there's really a lot for us to learn. So they do classes of like numerous times a week, and basically what happens in the class is a member of a department will teach a certain topic, and also then one of the residents will do a case presentation, and then there'll be like discussions. Yeah, among the residents and the consultants and the doctors about how to best approach this, which was really
It's a good
yeah.
get together, and to know that like the department and the team is on the same page,
Yeah.
and they also keep themselves updated about the newer techniques and the newer research using these classes.
Yeah, it's a very good dynamic. Yeah.
Yeah.
What was your expectation and how you find here about your expectation?
Our expectations. I think to start off, what we expected was that we will just shadow a single doctor and just get to see what he or she does. But what we got was way more
Yeah.
than what we expected.
So we were only expecting to see orthopedics for 1 whole month,
Yeah.
but we ended up like being able to observe like neurosurgery, maxillofacial surgery,
Euro surgery,
urology.
general surgery, yeah.
and yeah, on top of orthopedics. So that was and then within orthopedics itself, we got to
There was
see
different departments. There was the
so,
hand,
the hip and knee,
yeah,
and the spine,
reconstruction surgery.
yeah, and then going to HRDC, you'll see a lot of you see a different facet of orthopedics in that they deal a lot with congenital problems. So there's a lot of
congenital deformity correction that happens in HRDC, which is a charity hospital. They cater to children from the more rural areas that are more unfortunate, that can't afford even the transport to the hospital.
And you do it all free, which is amazing.
It's incredible.
Yeah.
And they do their rehabilitation, and they have, was it stations? Like
satellite camps.
Satellite camps.
They conduct satellite camps throughout the year as well to
continue
reach
the
out.
physio. Yeah.
Because follow-up is a really
Important aspect.
important aspect.
Yeah. So it way exceeded our expectations.
Yeah, and I really really would recommend this to anyone who's considering coming to Nepal. And you can go trekking before or after that as well.
The Himalayas are beautiful. And if you get injured, you can always come to B&B.
Okay, very nice talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.